But first, it's interesting reading this KPMG report into the industries that will rebound the quickest and those that will drag the chain on recovery from COVID-19. The message is clear. This is going to be a long haul, and there are some industries that are in for a world of pain, not just for 12 months, but up to 2 years. The obvious one is tourism and aviation, which are of course inextricably linked. We'll hear more on the Virgin acquisition by the QSC shortly. But KPMG have nominated as the recovery timeline 2022 for air and transport, March 2022 in fact for accommodation and retail. And what it underscores is the necessity for governments of all persuasions to get firmly behind tourism and its associated industries. Now, clearly a rescue plan waged by Tourism Australia is now the #1 priority for the industry. Let's not forget how important tourism is for this country. Internationally, it makes up 10% of the global GDP. In Australia, it makes up 12% of our total GDP. Now, the many thousands of jobs that rely directly and indirectly on tourism are extraordinary. Its reach far outweighs any other industry, other than mining, of course. It's now important that just as the Prime Minister has put into place economic measures to help small business, he must also be up for the fight to secure tourism's future. Now, Morrison is, after all, a former CEO of Tourism Australia, and it's an industry that has been hit from Burnie to Cooktown, from Armidale to Albany. It needs a standalone, specific rescue package that is tailored around 3 stages: intrastate, interstate, and then, of course, the international sector. And it also must target people with money in their pocket, ready to travel after spending months in hibernation. Queensland is already working on such a plan, but this also needs to target regional Australian tourism. Get people out and about enjoying our beautiful landscape. The time has come for a concerted task force to be established to guide the industry through these turbulent times. We need to get tourism back to its rightful mantle as a key driver of the nation's economy.